Hey there, it's Phoenix, and in this video I'm going to be describing the three main mechanisms of gene transfer: transformation, transduction, and conjugation. First off is transformation, which kind of starts with a sad ending. First, a bacterium dies. Tragic, I know. Strands of donor DNA from this dead cell are released and absorbed by a new recipient cell. The strand of donor DNA is then combined with the recipient's DNA. This can make the bacteria more resistant to antibiotics due to the fact that whatever resistance that came from the donor bacteria that tragically died is now a part of the recipient's DNA. Next up, we have transduction, which also has a semi-bad ending for the donor bacteria. First, you have a normal bacteria minding its own business. Then, from out of nowhere comes a phage, which has one purpose and one purpose only: to beat up the bacteria and steal a piece of its DNA. The beating up part was just a joke, so let me rephrase that. The phage steals a piece of DNA through the cell wall of the bacteria and then leaves towards a recipient bacteria. The phage then injects the donor DNA into the recipient bacteria. After injecting the donor DNA, it can subsequently be exchanged for a piece of the recipient's DNA via homologous recombination. The recipient bacteria is then left with a new antibiotic resistance from the donor cell. Finally, we have conjugation. Let's go, baby! I don't know why I'm so excited about this. Oh yeah, it's because this is the only mechanism that doesn't involve theft from the donor cell. Only mild sharing. Let me explain. For conjugation, a structure called a pelus is formed by the donor cell, which attaches itself to the recipient cell. A copy of the donor's plasmid, which stores DNA, is then created and then sent to the recipient. Once again, the recipient's DNA combines with the donor's DNA, which gives it more antibiotic resistant. The main thing you should take away from all this is that due to all these mechanisms of gene transfer, the recipient bacteria will always gain a higher immunity to antibiotics due to the resistance taken from the donor cells. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that okay, I'm joking. Bye bye.